Hi, I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hydraulic oil in your hydro handle. Before using the hydro handle repair kit, please refer to the hydro handle troubleshooting and maintenance video. For the HHR1 repair, you get a syringe, a short hose, a long hose, a 1/8 Allen key, 4 O-rings, 2 brass adapters, and a bottle of hydraulic fluid. Start by attaching your short hose to the syringe. Then take the syringe and fill it with the hydraulic oil provided. Next, attach your brass adapters to the hose. One on the long one, and one on the short one that's attached to the syringe. Place one of the O-rings on each threaded end of the brass adapters. You'll need 2 for this. Using the 1/8 Allen key, remove the bleeder screw from the reservoir. Take the O-ring out as well. Then, take your brass connector that's attached to the syringe with the hydraulic oil in it. Place it in where the bleeder screw was. As you're threading the bleeder screw in, push a little bit of oil in just to avoid air coming in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Do the same step on the other side where the piston is. Remove the bleeder screw using the 1/8 Allen key. Make sure you have the O-ring on. Put the brass adapter into the piston. Tighten it down nice and tight. Then take the opposite end of the brass adapter on the hose and place it into the jar of the oil so you have somewhere for the oil to go when you're squeezing the old oil out. Now, using the oil from the syringe, squeeze it into the hydro handle. You'll notice the old oil coming out the other end and filling the container. Once you've added all of the oil from the syringe into the hydro handle, remove the brass connector from the piston. Hold your finger over the hose so that it stays in, and then pour the oil back into the container. Take your brass bleeder screw with one of the other new O-rings, put it on, and put it back in place. Tighten it down nice and tight. Then go to the reservoir side, repeat the step, remove your brass connector, push in any extra oil to top it up, then take your brass bleeder also with the new O-ring, place it in and tighten it down. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, once you've filled your handle with the oil, press on your brake. You should feel nice pressure. To test it, put your box plate on the ground, press the brake, give it some pressure. It should hold nice and tight. If you want to reuse the syringe for another repair, make sure you flush it with water the oil can make it sticky afterwards. So just make sure you flush it with water if you want to reuse it. Also, if your oil is clear, you can use that for another repair as well. But if it's dirty, you should get new oil. Thank you for watching today's repair video. For more instructional videos, please go to columbiatools.com.